In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the Sea of Conquest hack and mod works in the latest version, and why so many players are using this method on both iOS and Android. In this tutorial, you'll see exactly how to unlock powerful features that completely change the way you play Sea of Conquest. As you can see on your screen, this Sea of Conquest hack gives you access to all in-game hacks, including unlimited gold and emeralds, and it works smoothly on both iOS and Android devices. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the available options step by step. These include unlocked premium content, unlimited gold, unlimited emeralds, game speed control, unlocked all ships, and several other advanced features that give you a major advantage in the game. Before we get started in this tutorial, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Sea of Conquest game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Sea of Conquest, and see if there's an update available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. In this tutorial, the next step is very simple. Just head down to the pinned comment below this video. In that pinned comment, I explain exactly where and how you can get Sea of Conquest ++ and see this method in action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye!